Hey guys, Mike Auton here. Really quick one for you regarding captions. You might see that on a lot of my videos I put captions. A lot of people are using them. If you want to do it cheaply, if you want to do it quickly, if you don't have to pay somebody to do it, use temi.com. TEMI.com. Now, up until recently, I've been using Rev for most of my work, but then I realized that most of my videos didn't have much, if any, background noise. In most of them, I'm speaking pretty clearly, or the person I'm speaking to is very clear. So I don't need a human being creating the captions, which is what Rev is, or at least in theory. Temi is, as far as I'm aware, automated, so I think it uses AI, and it's super quick. When I upload a 6-minute video like the one you can see on the screen here, it takes maybe a minute or so for them to process all of the words. You get an output like this. Any words that Temi isn't sure about, it highlights, and you can go through and edit it. So let's say they got time. They thought I was speaking about time, but actually I was speaking about the herb. You never know. You just edit that, and those edits are then saved into your files, and you can download it. You go through the whole script. You can play it as you go along. Shall I do that? Let me just show here. So let me just do that really quickly.
Do you think every time you're going to create a piece of content,
so you see how it's going
to
there?
help one person?
It goes along with the words in sync, perfectly in sync with your speaking or whoever's speaking, and you just look through, look for any edits, finish it all. It saves itself automatically. You can see here, last saved a few seconds ago. I didn't do that. You download it if you want to add it to something like Camtasia, where you want to upload the video, the caption files yourself, or pass them on to your video guy. You save them as SRT, subrip, SRT file, download it, and Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. So that's it. That's how you do captions for 10 cents a minute at Temi versus $1 a minute at Rev. Both are cheap. Temi's cheaper, Temi's faster. Use Temi if there's no background noise. Use Temi if you speak clearly. All right, have a good day.